Hey guys, today I'm going to install Windows XP on my PC. Yeah, of course. Wait, install Windows. Yeah, of course. Setup is loading file. Wait. Music. Analyze the music. Wait. It's the music. Too much. Wait. Okay. Setup is copying file. Wait. Okay. This Windows XP yet. And this ES05 I download in Google in internet. This not DVD ambuy. Yeah, of course. Microsoft Windows XP. Yeah, and this year 2026, and you install Windows XP on your computer, bro. And in the desktop have a file which make the you is all file make like 1 hour of my Windows XP is under, and the owner has installed. Okay, okay. Okay, and like this. Let's go into Windows XP logo. Microsoft Windows XP. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now, this is a noisy piece in computer. Sleep. Chila. Yeah, eat fast. Assembly is look like with 2021. No, 21. No, 20. No, bruh. No, what? 20 to mid 21st 21 minutes left. I tried. I'm so tired. This too long yet. Wow. Now, wait again. Yeah. Subscribe for me. Subscribe for 100 subscribe. Help me. I have Windows 10 tablet. Crazy Israel Vietnamese is the tablet. What? Too long, bruh. Yeah, 10 minutes. Please. I have Happy New Year 2026. Lucky money. Lucky money. Bruh. Long. 6 minutes. Oh, 5. Noisy computer. Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah. 1 minute. 1 minute. Oh. Yeah. It's out to restart. Ding ding. Wait. Now I will be a. Yeah. Wow. This app of the over of the ESO5 install. This is the new version. No, this is the new update of Windows XP. Wait, what now? Windows XP, background, bruh, only bees. Wait, huh? Okay. There is not best yet. My computer. When. Bruh. Bruh. Shut up. Oh. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy New Year.